how to push Replit AI to GitHub. Open up Replit AI, click on apps and find the app or website which you want to push to GitHub. Open it up, and once you have it open, then we will click on the plus sign, and you just want to scroll down until you see Git. Click on Git and you will find GitHub right here. Then select sign in. It is going to ask us to sign into our GitHub account, and it is going to connect it just like that. Now we can create a remote URL. So what is going to be the name of this app? It is going to be Euro to $. Okay, save it. It needs to be one word actually. Okay, whatever, create remote, and you will click on create repository on GitHub, and that's how you can push your Replit AI into GitHub. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.